don't know how this is gonna look around. Okay. When you look into her eyes, do you know? Much to your own surprise, you opened up, let it all go. Your color has been compromised, don't you know? Are you still wearing that disguise? Too ashamed to let your true self show? You set the stage for your demise. No room to grow, no time to cut, edit, revise. Open up the floodgates, let it flow. Now and come and sever all the ties that keep you feeling low. Content is just a state of mind. Now open up, let it all go. Now I offer my advice, listen or don't. Take a chance and roll the dice. You'll either win big or you won't. Either way there is a price. Don't bitch or moan. Sometimes the game we sacrifice, the things that we love the most. It's hard to be very precise when your eyes are closed. I'll keep it short, sweet and concise. It's better that way, I suppose. Mistakes don't ever happen twice. The second time you chose to do things wrong instead of right, in spite of everything you know. Okay. I like that song. Let's hear it.